tighten it دا ټیټ کړه tighten it what was the need to speak د ویلو څه ضرورت و what was the need to speak I will do whatever I feel زه به هغه کوم چې څه مې زړه غواړي I will do whatever I feel let me have a look پرېږده چې لږ وینم let me have a look don't be hasty تادي مه کوه don't be hasty do you like it آیا ستا دا خوښ دی do you like it don't be shy شرمېږه مه don't be shy stop crying جړا بند کړه stop crying help them د هغوی سره مرسته وکړه help them watch carefully په غور سره ګوره watch carefully you are worthless ته بې فایدې you are worthless what will people think about us خلک به زمونږ په اړه څه سوچ کوي what will people think about us keep up your work خپل کار جاری ساته keep up your work whom do you love ته د چا سره مینه کوي whom do you love call me tomorrow ما ته سبا فون وکړه call me tomorrow I don't think so ما ته داسې نه ښکاري I don't think so sit up straight نیغ کېنه sit up straight doing something څه کوي کو doing something reading something څه لولي کو reading something do you remember آیا تا ته یاد دی do you remember I don't feel like eating زړه مې نه غواړي چې خوراک وکړم I don't feel like eating I am coming at once زه زر راځم I am coming at once I am not coming at once زه زر نه راځم I am not coming at once I am not coming with you زه ستا سره نه راځم I am not coming with you no need to say anything د څه د ویلو ضرورت نشته no need to say anything I apologize زه بخښنه غواړم I apologize what do you like ستا څه خوښ دي what do you like do you agree آیا ته موافقه یې do you agree yes I agree او زه موافقه یم yes I agree this is all your fault دا ټول ستا غلطی ده this is all your fault listen to me زما خبره واوره listen to me I am all ears زه اورم I am all ears I am worn out زه ډېر ستړی شوی یم I am worn out It is not rocket science دا دومره مشکل نه دی. It is not rocket science. May I say something now? وز زه څه ووایم؟ May I say something now? Please speak slowly. لږ ورو وایه. Please speak slowly. A nod is enough twice. هوښیار له اشاره هم پوره ده. A nod is enough twice. Don't make me angry. ما قاروه ما. Don't make me angry. You are so dull. ته ډېر ناراستی. You are so dull. She looks like you. هغه ستا په شان ښکاري. She looks like you. You are very talkative. ته ډېر خبرلوسی. You are very talkative. Remind me later. وروستو راته رایاد کړه. Remind me later. Give me some money. ماله لږې پیسې راکړه. Give me some money. How do you know me? ته ما څنګه پیژنې؟ How do you know me? I can't control him. زه هغه نشم قابو کولی. I can't control him. I am thirsty. زه تږی شوی یم. I am thirsty. What do you mean? ستا څه مطلب دی؟ What do you mean? I know you well. زه تا ښه پیژنم. I know you well. I know you very well. زه تا ډېر ښه پیژنم. I know you very well. You are so lucky. ته ډېر بختور یې. You are so lucky. How lucky you are. څومره بختور یې ته. How lucky you are. Anything can happen. څه هم کیدلی شي. Anything can happen. Whose car is this? دا موټر د چا دی؟ Whose car is this? Let's eat out today. ځئ چې نن بهر خوراک وکړو. Let's eat out today. We all are with you. مونږ ټول تا سره یو. We all are with you. Unpack the luggage. سامان کولاو کړه. Unpack the luggage. Pack the luggage. سامان بند کړه. Pack the luggage. Call him. هغه ته فون وکړه. Call him. Where to go. چرته تلل دي. Where to go. About whom. د چا په اړه. About whom. Go to hell. ورکیږه. Go to hell. Don't provoke me. ما را پاروه ما. Don't provoke me. May I come in. آیا زه دننه راتلی شم؟ May I come in. You can go home. ته کور ته تللی شي. You can go home. Don't push. دیکه مه ورکوه. Don't push. Go and study. لاړ شه او پړهی وکړه. Go and study. At what time. په څه وخت. At what time. You took a long time. تا ډېر وخت واغست. You took a long time. What goes to say yes. په او ویلو کې څه ځي. What goes to say yes. Any problem, څه مسله ده. Any problem. Go and get a chair. لاړ شه او یو کرسی راوړه. Go and get a chair. Go and get a glass of water. لاړ شه او یو ګیلاس اوبه راوړه. Go and get a glass of water. Let him shout. پرېږده چې هغه چغې ووهي. Let him shout. Let him up. هغه پرېږده. Let him up. Who said. چا ووی. Who said. Don't say anything. هیڅ هم مه وایه. Don't say anything. Don't sit idle. بیکاره مه کښېنه. Don't sit idle. Be at home. په کور کې اوسه. Be at home. Write it down. دا ولیکه. Write it down. Think about me. زما په اړه سوچ وکړه. Think about me. Think about yourself. په خپله اړه سوچ وکړه. Think about yourself. He lied. هغه دروغ ووی. He lied. Don't spit here. دلته مه توکه. Don't spit here. Stop staring at me. ما ته نیغ نیغ کتل بند کړه. Stop staring at me. Love yourself. د ځان سره مینه وکړه. Love yourself. Shut the door. دروازه بند کړه. Shut the door. Don't curse me. ما ته هیرې مه کوه. Don't curse me. Are you feeling hungry? ته وږی شوی یې کو. Are you feeling hungry? How about this one? دا یو به څنګه یي. How about this one? She was spying on me. هغې زما جاسوسي کوله. She was spying on me. Be cool minded. دماغ ساړه ساته. Be cool minded. He argued with me. هغه ما سره بحث وکړو. He argued with me. Don't go out. بهر مه وځه. Don't go out. Keep distance. فاصله ساته. Keep distance. Tell me truth. رښتیا راته ووایه. Tell me truth. How is she? هغه څنګه ده. How is she? Give respect. Take respect. عزت کوه او عزت اخله. Give respect. Take respect. I am helpless. زه مجبوره یم. I am helpless. Don't be shy. شرمیږه مه. Don't be shy. You are the one for me. ته زما د پاره جوړه شوې. You are the one for me. د دې نورو ویډیوګانو نه ځان خبرولو دپاره د چینل PE everyone سبسکرایب کړئ او د بیل د آیکن آل نوټیفیکیشن کلیک کړئ. نورې چې کومې ویډیوګانې راځي نو تاسو به ترې په وخت خبرېږئ. Thanks for watching.